Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the machine ready. Raise the presser foot and lift the needle to the top so tension plates open. Place the spool on the pin and secure it with the cap. Make sure thread unwinds smoothly. Wind and insert a filled bobbin into its case, leaving a 2-3-inch tail. Once done, guide the upper thread to the first thread guide. Follow the machine's numbered path to avoid skipped steps. This first setup reduces tension problems later. Now you thread through the tension mechanism. Follow the printed numbers, slipping thread between the tension discs and up through the take-up lever until it clicks into place. Make sure the take-up lever is at its highest point. This ensures proper thread catch. Bring the thread down the needle bar channel and thread the needle from front to back to match most Singer models. Verify bobbin thread direction and that both threads match the fabric weight for balanced stitches. Finish by pulling both upper and bobbin thread tails under the presser foot toward the back of the machine, leaving about 2-3 inches. Lower the presser foot and hand turn the wheel 2 to 3 stitches to bring the bobbin thread up. This confirms proper engagement. Then stitch slowly on scrap fabric to test tension and stitch quality. If you see loops on the underside, stop, rethread the bobbin and upper thread, check bobbin case tension, and ensure the presser foot was up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.